Hello my dear children, welcome to today's class. In this class, we are going to learn a poem that what happened in the olden days. Olden days, as you all know that there were no much vehicles. Like modern days, we have different types of vehicles like cars, bikes, scooters, everything, different types of vehicle. We can see that in each one's house there will be minimum one vehicle nowadays. Isn't it? Yes. But in olden days, there were no such vehicles. Then how do you think people traveled? Yes, people traveled using horse cart or bullock carts or horseback. People used to travel by horse cart or bullock carts for far away distance. For nearby distance, if it is walkable distance, they used to walk. They used to walk for more long distance. But we nowadays people, are we walking? No. To go to even a short distance, we depend on vehicles, isn't it? So, in those days, when they were, people, those who were walking through the roads and all, some robbers came and attacked them. So, they were called as highwaymen. These robbers were called as highwaymen and they robbed the people like the travelers. They used to, because the travelers means like businessmen, they used to travel longer, far distance, and when they come back and all, it becomes night, isn't it? And while night and all, we can see these people walking alone. At that time, these robbers, they used to stop them in the road and they used to collect their things. And also the people, that is the village people and all to people, they were afraid of these robbers. They used to dress in different style and all. And these highwaymen, they used to come in a horse. They used to pull away the things by the people and they used to go away. And these highwaymen, in the poem, that is, our poet R.L. Stevenson is saying that these robbers used to rob things mostly in the stormy nights. During the stormy nights. Why do you say that this poet is saying that these robbers used to rob things during stormy nights? Yes, they used to rob because during the stormy nights the climate will be very cold. And much people will never come out of the house during the night. Only few, one or two people may go on the road. So it will be easy for the robbers to take away the things from the people, those who are walking. That's why the poet is saying that they mostly rob during the stormy nights. So in this poem, the poet is saying, whenever the moon and stars are set, means when the moons and stars are set in the sky at what time? During the night, isn't it? Whenever the wind is high, when there are strong winds, all night long, in the dark and wet, a man goes riding by. As I said earlier, this robber used to go on by a horse. So the poet is saying that at night, when everyone are sleeping, when there are no one outside, these robbers come by the horse. Late in the night, when the fires are out. Why this poet is saying fires are out? Here, the poet is mentioning that fires are out means all the people, mostly we all switch off our lights when we go to bed, isn't it? That's the thing the poet is saying. When the fires are out means when all the lights are been offed. Then the poet is also saying that why does he gallop and gallop about? Means he's going by the horseback. Whenever the trees are crying aloud, means when the trees cry, the poet is saying that when there is a strong wind, when there is strong wind making noise, when the moons and stars are there. In the beginning I said the moons or stars comes at night, isn't it? But here the poet is saying the moons and stars are set means in once for 15 days we can see that mostly moons and stars will not be there in the sky. Especially moon will not be there. No moon day. At that time everything will be dark, isn't it? At that days these robbers come to rob because it will be safe for them to rob. And also he is saying, and ships are tossed at sea. When the ships are moving in the sea, ups and downs, when the ships, did you all observe the ships moving? When it goes in the waves of the sea, we can see that ships are going up and down. By on the highway low and loud, by at the gallop goes he. By at the gallop he goes, and then by he comes back at the gallop again. Means is going by the horseback. He goes and he comes back in the horseback itself. Okay, thank you my dear children.